What if I told you that you could look and feel genuinely different by this time tomorrow and not spend a single dollar to do it? Not a new outfit, not a skincare haul, not a salon appointment. Just you, the next 24 hours, and a handful of things that are completely free and completely within your control right now. I know that sounds too good, but stay with me because what I'm about to walk you through is not a gimmick. It's what actually moves the needle on how you look and how you feel fast. And the reason most people don't do it isn't because it's hard. It's because nobody laid it out for them step by step. So that's exactly what we're doing today. A full 24-hour free glow up, hour by hour. Let's go. Tonight, reset your body. Your glow up starts tonight, not tomorrow morning, tonight. The first thing you're going to do is drink a full glass of water right now. Not after this video, now. Your body has probably been running on less water than it needs, and it is showing on your face. Dehydration causes dullness, puffiness, dark circles, and that tired look that no amount of concealer fully fixes. Start flushing your system tonight. Next, you're going to take a shower and make it a real one, not a quick rinse. Wash your hair, exfoliate your body with whatever you have, even just a washcloth with some soap works. Shave or not, your choice, but be intentional. Clean your ears, scrub your feet, moisturize from head to toe when you get out. The physical act of thoroughly cleaning and caring for your body shifts something mentally too. You start to feel like someone who takes care of herself, and that feeling is the foundation of a glow up. While you're at it, do your laundry, or at minimum, put on fresh, clean bed sheets. I know that sounds random, but hear me out. You're about to sleep in them for the most important part of this whole process, and sleeping in clean sheets feels like a reset for your whole life. Now, exfoliate your face. Gently. You can make a simple scrub with sugar and a few drops of olive oil or honey from your kitchen. Massage it onto damp skin in slow circles. Rinse and then moisturize. Your skin will look visibly brighter in the morning. This is not optional. And then, this is the most important thing I will say in this entire video. Go to sleep early. I mean it. 8 hours minimum, 9 if you can. Sleep is the only truly free beauty treatment that works overnight. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Inflammation goes down, cortisol drops, your face literally resets. One night of genuinely good sleep will do more for your glow than a $200 serum. Put your phone down, set an alarm, go to sleep. Tomorrow morning, wake up and set the tone. Your alarm goes off. Here's what you do not do. You do not lay in bed scrolling. The way you start your morning sets the energy you carry all day, and energy is visible. People can see it on you. Get up, drink another full glass of water before you do anything else. Your body just went 8 hours without hydration, and it needs it immediately. Now go look in the mirror. Not to criticize, not to find flaws, just to see where you are starting. Say something kind to your face, out loud if you can. I know that sounds awkward, but it matters more than you think. The relationship you have with your own reflection shapes how you carry yourself all day. Now, wash your face with cool or lukewarm water. Cold water in the morning depuffs your face, tightens pores, and wakes up your skin instantly. If you have ice cubes, even better. Wrap one in a cloth and press it gently along your jawline, under your eyes, and across your forehead for 30 seconds. The difference is immediate and visible. Brush your teeth, scrape your tongue if you have a tongue scraper, or use your toothbrush. A clean mouth changes how you feel about yourself in a way that is hard to explain until you do it consistently. Now, moisturize your face and apply SPF if you have it. If you don't have SPF, this is genuinely the one product worth spending money on eventually, but for today, we move without it.
The free treatments you're skipping. Here's where your free glow up really kicks in. Gua sha or facial massage. If you have a gua sha tool, use it. If you don't, use your hands. Seriously, spend 3 to 5 minutes massaging your face with gentle upward strokes. Use a few drops of whatever oil you have, coconut, olive, even a little lotion. This drains fluid from your face, lifts your features, and gives you that sculpted look people associate with expensive facials. It is completely free. It takes 5 minutes and the results are visible immediately. Brow grooming. Clean up your brows. Tweeze the strays, brush them up with a clean spoolie or even a clean toothbrush. Well-groomed brows change your entire face. They frame everything. They make you look more awake, more polished, more intentional, with zero products. Lip care. Exfoliate your lips with a little sugar and water, then apply whatever balm or oil you have. Soft, hydrated lips make your whole face look more alive. This takes 2 minutes. Hair. You don't need a blowout, but intentional hair makes a massive difference. If your hair is clean from last night, style it with a purpose. Even a sleek bun, a neat braid, or defined natural texture reads as polished. If it's not clean, dry shampoo if you have it, or a protective style that looks deliberate. The key word is intentional. Messy on purpose is cute. Messy because you didn't try reads differently. Posture check. Stand in front of your mirror. Roll your shoulders back, lift your chin slightly, lengthen your neck. Take up the space you're standing in. Notice what that does to how you look. That's free. That's available every second of every day, and it changes how people perceive you the moment you walk into a room. What you eat and drink today. You can't outglow a bad eating day. What goes in today shows on your face today, and definitely tomorrow. Water all day. Keep a bottle with you. Every time you think about reaching for your phone out of boredom, take a sip instead. By the end of today, your skin will look different. Not dramatically, but noticeably more alive. Cut sugar today. Just today. Sugar causes inflammation, and inflammation shows up on your face as puffiness and dullness. One day without it makes a visible difference by the next morning. Eat something green. Spinach, cucumber, broccoli, whatever you have or can access for free or cheap. The antioxidants in green vegetables are literally anti-aging. They protect your skin from damage and give it that healthy glow that no highlighter can fully replicate. Reduce salt. Salt causes water retention, which causes puffiness, especially around your eyes. One low-salt day, and you'll wake up tomorrow with a noticeably more sculpted face. The invisible glow-up. Here's the part of the 24-hour $0 glow-up that most videos skip, and it might be the most powerful part. How you feel on the inside shows up on the outside always, no exceptions. So today, alongside everything physical, you are going to do one thing that makes you feel genuinely good about yourself. Not for anyone else, for you. Maybe it's putting on an outfit that makes you feel like yourself. Maybe it's walking outside for 20 minutes and letting your body move. Maybe it's cleaning your space so that your environment matches the version of yourself you're trying to step into. Maybe it's calling someone who makes you feel good. Maybe it's just sitting quietly without your phone for 15 minutes. Whatever it is, do it today. Because a woman who feels good carries herself differently, and a woman who carries herself differently is magnetic. That magnetism is visible. People feel it, they respond to it, and they treat you differently because of it. That is the glow-up that lasts beyond 24 hours. That is the one that compounds. So here's your full 24-hour $0 glow-up. Tonight, hydrate, deep clean your body, exfoliate your face, sleep early in clean sheets. Tomorrow morning, water first, cold water on your face, facial massage, brow grooming, intentional hair, posture check. All day, water, less sugar, less salt, something green. One thing that makes you feel genuinely good. That's it. That's the whole thing. Free, doable, starting right now. The most beautiful version of you is not behind a paywall. She's behind a little intention and a